Now that plane there looks like a perfect ringer for the air tags that you can get on your bags. You buy a bit of airplane skin.
I'm with you.
And they do, but the most special thing for out there is the KLM Boeing 747, which I'm guessing is a 747-400. Absolutely stunning. It's nothing more prominent than the blue colour on the KLM.
True.
And I love those landing in St. Martin with that little island with the beach on it. They take off and they blow all the stuff away.
I do.
KLM is known for that. But that's a real shame. But yeah, I don't know how long until that goes in the crusher. Obviously all the parts of value have been removed. There's probably no cockpit in it. Engines are gone. The rest is just going to be scrap.
You can't see a tail number on it from where you are, can you?
No, they've blanked it off, like they've painted over it.
Alright.
So obviously, we've driven in from this end, so he doesn't know what's going to be happening yet. But this is one place which is basically a Boeing 747 parking lot. I'm not even joking, it is a parking lot. All the British Airways 747s are lined up across the side of the road. Visually, it's like nothing else we've seen. So you're going to take that, I'm going to drive, you're going to film, and we're going to bring you lot something cool, because you will never see this again. Probably some of the engines have been removed in them. I doubt any of them are going to go back into service. They're all waiting to be scrapped, so let's get it done. So there we go. As I said, this is literally like nothing else you've ever experienced. No, that's not a Boeing 747, but the 747s are right behind. Check these.
That's mad, isn't it?
That's simply out of this world. Look at that. Left the hatch open as well, like no cares about him anymore. Engine's gone as well. Obviously the most valuable part. Unreal. Truckers are gone. And what I do love as well, look, it's even Saudi Arabia Airlines, they're everywhere. And of course you've got Kemble's very own cargo 747, which you can actually hire out for functions or weddings, etc., which is the one that's parked right there. With like an aluminium finish on it. It's been there for years. I think it's an old South African Airlines, top of my head. So as you can see, we are entering a sort of like cargo area. Believe it or not, this road pans round to the left. The very first time I came to Kemble on a permission visit, I came at the wrong end, and I actually crossed the runway with permission to get to where I wanted to go. But that's a story for another day. But come on, look at this. This is literally a parking lot.
That's madness, isn't it?
It's incredible.
Alright, we're going down here then. Apologies for the bumps, the road is a little bit of a business. It's a good speed.
Saudi 747, that Corsair 747, incredible. Engines all gone as well. And there is a South African cargo plane which you can hire. It's funny as well, the rear tail avionics have gone on it. I'm pretty sure they used to be on there. Do you think none of these planes will ever fly again?
No.
Name another place you can get up and personal with these. Do we talk it or you see it?
No, you're good. You can just talk if you want to talk.
Yeah, it's just an experience, isn't it? Obviously 747 have been phased out. Only ones really that are going to end up flying left, the cargo ones. Seeing them like this, and even these smaller ones, still cool to see. I'm guessing these are just sitting here waiting for holiday seasons again, because all the engines are taped up, windows are actually all down. Seeing some liveries here, though I haven't actually seen before in person. Euro wings. Yeah, it's a very bumpy road, this.
Oh, it's a mad road.
Yeah, down there, that road goes around to the runway. It's a gate there, obviously like a traffic light system.
Yeah.
And I pulled up to it, green light come on, obviously for me to enter, gate opened, drove down the runway to the salvage yard where I had a permission visit.
Well.
So yeah, technically, you know, it's one of those things where you know a man that knows a man, that doesn't know a man that doesn't know a man. We know no one, we're just here. But it's a little bit, this is the life of like a toy dealer, life of Viking Views, where you go and buy all these collections, you go from point A to point B. Sometimes you stop and see some cool things in between, and it really does make it a day out.
Literally, this is point C.
This is point C.
This is point A, point 5, A and a half, isn't it?
A and a half. So what we're going to do now, we're going to pull a quick U-bahn and get on to point B.
Say people around here are used to it.
Yeah.